I don't really have contempt for the word. I have contempt when the word is used as the glue of something, which has happened in theater and, a lot in film. I really don't like it, that the word, that one has to sit and listen to words all the time when really all the other faculties are not being used. That I really don't like. I think the word has its own beauty and also should have its own integrity, stand alone just as much as any of the other elements. But in Dolby music, it's funny, I never think about that because my feeling was much more as if you were overhearing some mysterious conversation that you couldn't make it out. You couldn't make out the language and you couldn't make out the, what they were saying, and you were hearing it from far away.